$100.
Now I gotta get out of the truck, swipe this thing again. Hey guys, welcome back. It's Duramax LML. Well, we just averaged 11.5 miles per gallon towing the Sun Tracker with the Duramax with a 6.5-inch lift on 35-inch tires. Now that's pretty impressive. We're gonna try to catch something today. There's a little bit of a break in the rain, so let's go hit this thing and see what we can catch. Alright, now that playtime is over, it's back to working hard. So we have the kitchen that we're going to be working on today. We're going to be cutting the countertop, at least one piece of it. Also, I'm going to be showing you guys the DeWalt 60 volt max. This thing is a beast. We're also going to put in some appliances, the stove range, and the refrigerator. Let's get to it. Well, alright guys, here it is. This is the most powerful battery-powered framing saw that I think I have found ever. Nothing I don't think on the market can even touch this. But right here is the DeWalt FlexVolt lithium 60 volt framing saw, and this thing is amazing. I don't think there is anything else on the market that even comes close to this. It does have a little bit of weight to it, but this thing is absolutely a beast. I have thrown everything I can at this thing and it just rips right through everything. We've torn off roofs. The battery power just seems to last extremely long. It does take a while to charge the battery, but this thing is just so powerful, and I don't think there's anything else that can touch it. Well, it is starting to look like a kitchen. I'm really excited. There's still so much work that needs to be done. A lot of fine tuning. There's still more cabinets that need to be put up, a lot of electrical, but it's starting to look like a kitchen. It'll be so nice to just wake up, open the fridge, or cook something. We have a busy household here, so having a kitchen, it's kind of like the heart of the house. So we're really excited. And the cabinets just look fantastic. Well, we purchased these appliances for one reason. Made in America, guys. We all got to do our part. Made in America. All of our large purchases, we've gone out of our way to make sure that everything's purchased in America. I mean, our vehicles, the Chevys, you know, the boat, the RV, all of the major purchases that we've purchased, made in America. I always try to go out of my way. Of course, you can't purchase everything made in America, but you know, if we all go out of our way to try to make a difference, we can just help ourselves. I'd also like to give a shout out to my buddy Tony. He's actually the one that refinished these cabinets. When we first bought these cabinets, they were a dark cherry color. We decided to go with white because our kitchen obviously is really small. And so we wanted it to look a little bit bigger in here. But Tony, thank you so much, man. You really hooked it up. Tony refinished these cabinets. He did a fantastic job. He totally hooked it up. So thank you, Tone. I appreciate it, man. Much love, man. Well, Tony Tone, if you're watching this, man, go get your fishing license right now, because guess what? We're going fishing again. Last time we went out, actually, I caught one of the largest bass that I've ever caught in Lopez Lake, California. And if you guys ever fish there, the fish don't really get that big. So if you catch something around 4 pounds, you're excited. But anyhow, Tony, get that fishing license. We're going fishing. We're gonna do this, man. Well, that about wraps up the video, guys. I appreciate it. If you guys want to see an update to the video, please subscribe. And if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys very much for all the love. We'll catch you next time, man. I'm out.